Are you looking for a fun and easy way to join in on the latest TikTok trend? In this video, I'll show you how to do and with that, the 2022 season comes to an end, trend, with easy step-by-step instructions. So make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow along as I walk you through everything from creating your post to uploading it for all your TikTok followers to see. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen and search for 2022 Recap. And then select any one of these videos. Then tap where it says, CapCut try this template. And then tap, use template in CapCut. And it will open up the CapCut app. So if you don't have CapCut, make sure to get it from the App Store. And then, at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap where it says, use template. And now select the photos option at the top. After that, you have to select 166 photos from your gallery. It will take some time to select all the photos, so I'll get back to you once I've selected them all. After you've selected 166 photos, tap on Preview. And then tap Export at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Save and Share to TikTok. It will take some time to export. And now you can post this to TikTok as you would when uploading a regular TikTok video. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below, and if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.